truck classifications are typically based upon the maximum loaded weight of the truck and sometimes also the gross trailer weight rating, and can vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Canada, vehicle classifications vary among provinces in Canada, due to differences in size and weight regulations, economic activity, physical environment, and other issues. While several provinces use their own classification schemes for traffic monitoring, Manitoba, Ontario, Prince Edward Island and Saskatchewan have adopted the 13-class system from the United States Federal Highway Administration sometimes with modifications, or in Ontario's case, for limited purposes 4. British Columbia and Ontario also distinguish between short and long combination trucks 4. In accident reporting, 8 jurisdictions subdivide trucks by GVWR into light and heavy classes. At approximately 4,500 kilograms 99.21 pounds, 6, European Union, Class B licenses can be used to drive vehicles with GVWRs of not more than 3,500 kilograms and a trailer with GTWRs not exceeding 750 kilograms, while holders of Class B licenses can tow trailers with GTWR greater than 750 kilograms. Such vehicles are also commonly known as light commercial vehicles, and include the Ford Transit, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Fiat Ducato. Thus, LCV license holders can drive any truck that would have been classified in the United States as Class 1, and Class 2 trucks with GVWR not more than 3,500 kilograms. EU license holders must have a Class C1 license to drive trucks that, in the U.S., are in Class 1, 2, 3 or 4, with trailers with GTWR of no more than 750 kilograms. EU Class C1 and C1E license holders can also drive Class 5 trucks with GVWR not exceeding 7,500 kilograms, while trucks with GVWR of more than 7,500 kilograms GVWR can only be driven by holders of large goods vehicle licenses. Holders of Class C licenses can drive trucks that, in the U.S., are classified in any of classes 1 to 8, but are restricted to towing trailers with GTWR at or less than 750 kilograms. LGV license holders with CE licenses can also pull trailers with GTWR greater than 750 kilograms. Examples of LGVs are the Scania P-Series, Volvo FH and DAF 95XF. United States. In the United States, commercial truck classification is determined based on the vehicle's gross vehicle weight rating. The classes range from 1 to 8. Trucks are also classified more broadly by the Department of Transportation's Federal Highway Administration, which groups classes 1 to 3 as light duty, 4 to 6 as medium duty, and 7 to 8 as heavy duty. The United States Environmental Protection Agency has a separate system of emissions classifications for trucks. The United States Census Bureau also assigned classifications in its now discontinued Vehicle Inventory and Use Survey. Light Duty, Class 1. The Class 1 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 0 to 6,000 pounds. Examples of trucks in this class include the Toyota Tacoma, Dodge Dakota and GMC Canyon. Class 2. The Class 2 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 6,001 to 10,000 pounds. Examples of vehicles in this class include the Dodge Ram 2500, Chevrolet Silverado 2500, and the F-250. Class 2 is subdivided into Class 2A and Class 2B, with Class 2A being 6,001 to 8,500 pounds, and Class 2B being 8,501 to 10,000 pounds. Class 2A is commonly referred to as a light-duty truck, with Class 2B being the lowest heavy-duty class, also called the light heavy-duty class. Class 3. The Class 3 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 10,001 to 14,000 pounds. Examples of vehicles in this class include the Dodge Ram 3500, Ford F-350, and the GMC Sierra 3500. The Hummer H1 is another example of a single rear-wheel Class 3 truck, with a GVWR of 10,300 pounds. Medium duty, Class 4. The Class 4 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 14,001 to 16,000 pounds. Examples of vehicles in this class include select Ford F-450 trucks, Dodge Ram 4500, and the GMC 4500. Class 5. The Class 5 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 16,001 € 19,500 pounds. Examples of trucks in this class include the International Terra Star, GMC 5500, Dodge Ram 5500, and the Ford F550. Class 6. The Class 6 truck gross vehicle weight rating ranges from 19,501 € 26,000 pounds. Examples of trucks in this class include the International Durastar, GMC Topkick C6500 and the Ford F650. Heavy Duty. Class 7. Vehicles in Class 7 and above require a Class B license to operate in the United States. These include GMC C7500. The GVWR ranges from 26,001 € 33,000 pounds. Class 8. The Class 8 truck gross vehicle weight rating is anything above 33,000 pounds. These include most tractor-trailer trucks, like the Freightliner M2106 for example. Ton rating. When light-duty trucks were first produced in the United States, they were rated by their payload capacity in tons. Over time, payload capacities for most domestic pickup trucks have increased while the ton titles have stayed the same. The now imprecise ton rating is presently used to compare standard sizes, rather than actual capacities. This has led to categorizing trucks similarly, even if their payload is different. Therefore, the Ford Ranger, Chevrolet S10, and GMC S15 are called quarter tons. The Ford F-150, Chevrolet 10, Chevrolet GMC 1500, and Dodge 1500 are half tons. The Ford F-250, Chevrolet 20, Chevrolet GMC 2500, and Dodge 2500 are three-quarter tons. Chevrolet GMC's 3 or 4 ton suspension systems were further divided into light and heavy duty, differentiated by 5-lug and 6 or 8-lug wheel hubs depending on year, respectively. The Ford F-350, Chevrolet 30, Chevrolet GMC 3500, and Dodge 3500 are 1 tons. Similar schemes exist for vans and SUVs, medium-duty trucks and some military vehicles, like the ubiquitous Deuce and a Half. See also. References